Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Foster from Agriculture and Agri-Food Canada, and today I'm going to be talking about some of our exciting research that we're doing collaboratively with the Atlantic Grain Council. In this project here, what we're examining is oats and oat lodging management. Oats are a really important crop for the Maritimes. Tens of thousands of acres are actually planted across the Maritimes each year. But oats have one kind of major issue, and that is that they're really responsive to nitrogen fertilizers. And what that means is that if you give them more nitrogen, you can actually get increased yields. But you come at the risk of the plants getting taller and lodging. And when lodging happens, like what you can see here, lodging can actually cause a massive decrease in the quality of the oats and the harvested yield. So where our project comes in is actually to try to look at innovative ways of managing disease in order to make the plants more resilient to lodging. In this trial here, what we're actually examining is multiple different fungicides that we have applied at different time points, and we've given the oats different nitrogen rates. And what we're trying to do is push the pressure for oat lodging higher and then see which treatments at which timings do the best at preventing oat lodging. And what we're actually finding is some fungicides do have beneficial response, but we're also finding that, once again, the oats are very responsive to nitrogen, and as we increase the nitrogen in the soil, we get more lodging. So other than these trials here, we're also doing trials in the greenhouse. And what we're actually doing is we're actually going to take the fungi that we can actually isolate from the lodged points of the oats and test them in the greenhouse to see if they'll cause lodging under controlled conditions, and then test the same projects that worked in the field in the greenhouse to better support that those products actually control those pathogens and that actually leads to lodging control. And then once we have all this data, we plan on actually designing a new trial, and a PhD student, Dustin McLean at Dalhousie University, is going to be putting together all of the data and in the new trial examining many different other factors based on all of the initial data we get here. And we're hoping by the end of this project, we have new best management practices for oat lodging in the Maritimes.